welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to show you, the all-new 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. Mitsubishi has really outdone themselves this time, and we're here to give you an exclusive look at what makes this SUV stand out from the crowd. Let's dive right in. Like a steamy cup of coffee, three-row SUVs such as the Mitsubishi Outlander are how most Americans start their mornings. While its 181 HP four-cylinder and CVT won't get your heart beating as fast as a double shot of espresso, the 7-passenger Outlander does deliver a comfy interior with a smooth ride. It shares its platform with the Turo Nissan Rogue and offers a plug-in hybrid powertrain with 248 horsepower and all-wheel drive. Adults won't find much legroom in the third row, but first and second row passengers have available luxuries such as quilted leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a giant speedometer that mimics the wheel from. The price is right. The Outlander isn't as robust as segment-leading competitors, such as the Honda CR-V or Mazda CX-50, but it does offer plenty of cargo space and an interior as rich as oat milk. What's new for 2024? Mitsubishi doesn't throw any remarkable updates or changes at the Outlander for 2024, but a top-spec Platinum Edition model for both the non-hybrid and plug-in hybrid models have been added to the lineup. They come with special black diamond exterior paint with a contrasting roof painted in alloy silver. Inside, the Platinum Edition wears light gray upholstery and silver trim around the gauges. The Outlander's standard engine is a 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder engine that makes 181 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. It pairs exclusively with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. Front-wheel drive is the standard configuration, but all-wheel drive is optional. Although the Outlander's acceleration times are competitive with other compact crossovers excluding speedsters such as the turbocharged Mazda CX-5 and Kia Sportage, it feels less responsive and lazier at highway speeds, which is exacerbated by its gearless CVT. Otherwise, the Outlander drives with agility and composure. Its steering is nicely weighted, its body motions are controlled, and its ride is taut. We did notice a lack of isolation. That allowed a lot of road noise to enter the cabin on all but the smoothest roads, and our test vehicle's large 20-inch wheels with limited sidewall cushioning didn't help the situation. The Outlander we drove also had a soft-feeling brake pedal, but the stoppers hauled the SUV down from 70 miles per hour in a class-competitive 172 feet. The plug-in hybrid model is more powerful and it scampered to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds at our test track. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder is assisted by a pair of electric motors for a combined 248 horsepower, and in our first test drive, we noted that the Outlander PHEV felt perkier, especially in urban driving. Bigger SUVs or pickups are better suited for towing, but the Mitsubishi does have the ability to tow as much as 2,000 pounds, should you need it. With a 20.0 kWh battery pack on board, the Outlander PHEV is good for a claimed 38 miles of electric-only driving range per charge. That puts it slightly ahead of other PHEV versions of the Hyundai Tucson and the Ford Escape, but behind the Toyota RAV4 Prime, which beats the Outlander slightly with a 42-mile driving range. During our 75 mph highway fuel economy test, we recorded 24 miles of highway driving before the battery depleted. Unfortunately, the Outlander PHEV suffers from a fairly slow onboard charging system, which means charging at home will take roughly 6.5 hours if the battery is entirely dead. Luckily, ADC fast charging system is optional, but it uses an outdated CHAdeMO charging port that may not be easy to find at fast charging stations in your area. The all-wheel drive Outlander is an EPA-rated 24 mpg city and 30 highway. Front-wheel drive Outlanders see a marginal improvement of 20 for city and 31 mpg on the highway. During our 75 mph highway fuel economy route part of our extensive testing regimen, the all-wheel drive Mitsubishi's real-world result of 26 mpg fell short of its EPA estimate. The Outlander PHEV is rated for 25 mpg city and 27 mpg highway when running on gasoline, but by the government's yardstick, it's good for 64 mpg combined when accounting for its electric driving range. The new Outlander has significantly nicer cabin materials compared with its predecessor, which was marred by subpar plastics and chintzy trim pieces. Not only are the interior accents and surfaces of higher quality, but the design finally qualifies as modern. Likewise, there's an assortment of contemporary content that includes an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a head-up display, while passengers in the first two rows enjoy more hip room and legroom. Then in the last-gen Outlander, its third row has very limited legroom for adults. The only other compact crossover with seating for 7 is the Volkswagen Tiguan, but unlike the Outlander, its extra set of seats is limited to front-drive models. Cargo space also increases on the new Outlander, with 1 cubic foot added to the total volume behind the second and third rows. On the infotainment front, the new Outlander offers either an 8.0 or 9.0-inch touchscreen, depending on the trim. Both units have standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but only the latter allows users to connect their iPhones wirelessly, along with charging ports at the bottom of the center stack. The system features hard buttons and physical knobs for volume and tuning. Additional available infotainment features include a 10-speaker Bose audio system, wireless device charging, and access to the subscription-based Mitsubishi Connect app that provides remote services. So there you have it, folks, the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. With its bold design, advanced features, and impressive performance, this SUV is truly in a league of its own. If you're in the market for a versatile and capable vehicle that doesn't compromise on style or substance, be sure to check out the Outlander at your nearest Mitsubishi dealership. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.